Okay, people, it's a nice hot muggy morning here in my shed. I came out here a couple hours early and turned the AC on, and it's night. It was 100 degrees when I came out here, and now it's 70. This is a pretty quick video, hopefully, on battery holders for the 18650 lithium ion batteries. If you're not familiar with them, it's these commonly used in laptops and cordless tool batteries, rated for, or they put out about 4.1, 4.2 volts when fully charged, and around 3 volts when discharged. So I purchased a bunch of these mostly because I've rated a few laptop batteries. Anytime you have a laptop battery and it says it stops working or just can't get it to charge anymore, almost certainly there's probably nothing wrong with the batteries inside of it. It's very likely that the charging circuitry or the circuitry inside the battery has died. It's also possible one of the cells died, but almost certainly it's just the circuitry. You can open up the battery and take out these individual cells. They will usually be spot welded together. Yeah, you can rip them apart pretty easily with a pair of dice. You can just peel the tabs off of them, and you'll find that they still hold a charge and work pretty good. Now, these are Samsung IC what is this? ICR 18650-26F as in Frank batteries. I looked them up. They are approximately 2600 milliamp hour batteries, and you can discharge them at 2C, which is 2 times their amp rating, so about 5,200 milliamp hours or 5.2 amp hours. Anyways, as you can see, they fit in here just fine. It looks like, and I have nothing to test this with, but it looks like you can even put protected cells in here. I think there might be just enough room for them, but can't be 100% positive. These I got off of eBay. Don't remember the price. Doesn't really matter. Not even going to put it in the video. You can get them from eBay, probably Banggood, probably Amazon, all over the place. As far as I can tell, they only come in 1, 2, 3, and 4 cell packs. I really couldn't find anything with 5 or 6. One thing I must point out is that the wire on here is approximately 25 gauge, which means that it can maybe handle a maximum of 3 amps. So if you were planning on pulling more than that out of one of these, I would recommend replacing it with 21 or 20 gauge wire at least. And it can be easily done just by clipping the wires, and like on this one, clip the black wires off, resolder a new connection, and the same here on this end, because black wire goes here red wire goes here. Nothing much to say about them. They're flexible plastic. Doesn't say anywhere what they are. One of the things I did do was just to test one out. I have this, and I originally had used a remote control lithium polymer battery to power it, but didn't really like doing that. I'd have to leave the battery pack inside here. It was difficult to charge it, and I didn't like the idea of leaving a lithium battery inside this device unattended, even if it was totally switched off. So what I did was I just took one of these 3-cell battery packs and hooked it up in place of it and put it on the back, and this way I can change the batteries out anytime I want and remove them when I don't need this thing to be powered. I left the on-off switch for the battery to switch between batteries, and you can see that it works fine.
And I can't believe how much
so that's it. They work. They're of reasonable quality. Just one caveat: make sure you replace the wires if you're going to do any serious amp draw out of these. That's it.